All right, guys, between 40 and 60 grams of protein in one meal. Let me show you what I've been making past couple mornings. Man, it's super good. It's only a few ingredients. I'm here at the store. I'm gonna show you what ingredients to get. We'll go home and make it. Like I said, 40 to 60 grams of protein in one meal, man, you cannot beat that. And it tastes great, and it's good for you, and it'll keep you full for a while. Just win, 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 win. So let me show you what we got here. All right, guys, first up, get you some eggs. You're gonna need to keep these for any diet that you're on. If it's keto, so you're just trying to lose some weight, gain some muscle, keep those eggs in stock, all right? So that's first up. Next up, we got cottage cheese. Get you some of this, keep the cottage cheese in stock. We're gonna cook with this. Might seem weird to cook with it, but watch, it's gonna taste good. I'm gonna get some beef. This is 93 lean, all right? You get 93, 96, 90, whatever you wanna do, but make sure you get some beef. I'm grabbing 2 of these. All right, so we got our eggs, we got our beef, and we got our cottage cheese. So that's all we're gonna need. We're gonna get between 40 and 60 grams of protein. We're gonna go home, cook it up, and I'm telling you, it's gonna taste good. So check this out. It's for any kind of diet that you're on, if you're just trying to lose weight, if you're on keto, if you're trying to build muscle, check out this meal. I'm telling you, I've been having it. It keeps you full for a while, so we're gonna go home and make it. Let's go. All right, guys, so I got it cooking up here. Let me show you what it looks like on the stove. I remember I used to see people make this, mixing their cottage cheese and their eggs, and I was like, there's no way, but don't knock it till you try it. Try this out, but check it out. I got 6 ounces of 93 lean beef, half a cup of cottage cheese, and just 2 eggs. All right, so look at that, just cooking it up. Eventually when it's all done, so I cook the meat first, and then I add in the cottage cheese and then the eggs, and then eventually I'll just scramble it all together. And that's all you need to do. It's that simple. This right here, 60 grams of protein right there. All right, so look at that. Oh, look at them eggs just cooking. Cottage cheese kind of looks funny when it's cooking. Yeah, I got a comment yesterday, why do you cook your cottage cheese? Man, I was the same way. Like, why in the world are people cooking cottage cheese? But it actually gives a great flavor. So let me finish this up and then I'll drop it on the plate, show you what it looks like. All right, guys, here it is. Still steaming. Look at that. Fresh out the stove. 60 grams of protein. I use the 93 lean. You can use whatever beef you want. I use 6 ounces, okay? Make sure you get a scale, measure it out. All right, 6 ounces. You don't have to use 6. If you want to use 4, that's fine. That'll get you probably around 50 grams of protein or so. So 6 ounces of beef, half a cup cottage cheese. All right, half a cup cottage cheese, 2 eggs. That's it. Like you saw, just mix it all in together. You can throw a little salt and pepper on there if you want to, put some hot sauce on there, I've done that. But right here, this will hold you off for a while. Another thing you can do if you want, you can just cook this up and save it in a container. And then throughout the day, when you get hungry, you can use these no-carb tortillas. Get a tortilla, fill it up, heat it up, and just eat that. A quick way to kind of get a quick meal, quick snack. And you know, just put in these tortillas are great as well. They're super soft. All right, no carbs, don't have to worry about it. I've been making this at least, you know, once a day in the morning, and it keeps me full for a while. Meal prep it and then just eat it throughout the day whenever I feel like it. So like I said, you can put it in tortillas, add a little cheese on there if you want to. This is perfect for a keto style diet if that's what you're running, or any kind of low carb diet, or if you're just looking to get your protein in because you're trying to pack on some muscle, you're trying to eat healthier, this is the way to do it. Now you can use a leaner beef if you want. You can go 96 lean if you want. That'll of course keep the fats down. But if you're running keto, you want to keep the fats up a little bit. So go with a 90 to 93% to have a little more fats in your diet. And the best, you know, I find one of the best ways to do it is if it comes from your beef. So you can do that. 2 whole eggs, the cottage cheese. Definitely try this out. Let me know in the comments what you think if you're gonna try this. Now, like I said, I used to see people cooking their eggs and their cottage cheese, and I was like, man, I mean, I like cottage cheese, I love eggs, but I'm like, together, I don't know how that would taste. And I finally did it, and there's something about it in the cottage cheese, something that just gives the eggs great flavor. And then when you mix it with beef, it tastes even better. Okay, so try it out. On the fence about trying it, try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. If eggs, beef, cottage cheese. I used to make something like this similar. I used to use rice, but now I'm following more of a keto style diet, and my carbs are super low, but I'm replacing those with fats. So check this out. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, like this video. If you like stuff like this, subscribe, let me know, and I'll keep making more videos like this to help you out, to give you more meal ideas. I'm gonna eat this real quick. Let's keep getting better. Let's go.